Hello students, today we will see how to find vectors perpendicular to both a bar and b bar, then unit vector perpendicular to both, and after that we will see how to find vectors of magnitude n, where n is a natural number which is perpendicular to both a bar and b bar. So these are the formulae over here. तो अगर हमको फर्स्ट पार्ट चाहिए वेक्टर्स परपेंडिकुलर टू बोथ a bar and b bar, तो हम सबसे पहले a bar क्रॉस b bar फाइंड आउट करते हैं. So let's find a bar cross b bar here, which is determinant of first row will be ijk, second row coefficients from a bar, and third row is from b bar, like this. अब जब हम इसको कैलकुलेट करते हैं तो determinant, that is 3 by 3 का determinant, it is I cap 1 plus 1 which is 2 minus j cap 1 minus 2 which is minus 1 plus k cap minus 1 minus 2 which is minus 3. So जो a bar cross b bar है वो है 2i cap plus j cap minus 3k cap. तो आपका जो फर्स्ट पार्ट का आंसर है that is simply plus minus 2i plus j minus 3k cap. Now अब अगर सेकेंड पार्ट पूछा गया है that is unit vector, will find magnitude of a bar cross b bar, which is under root of squares of the coefficients 4 plus 1 plus 9 which is root 14. तो second part के लिए we will just divide that vector, that is cross product of both the vectors, by root 14. And third part, अगर हमको find out करना है vectors of some magnitude, here I have taken n, where n is natural number perpendicular to both a bar and b bar. तो हम यहाँ पर n के लिए substitution कर देते हैं. तो in general n can be any natural number, and again same thing, cross product of both the vectors divided by magnitude of that a bar cross b bar. इस तरह से आपका if first part is asked, this will be for 1 mark. second part अगर पूछा है तो 2 marks के लिए पूछ सकते हैं, and third part के लिए 3 to 4 marks हो सकता है. Thank you.